Nice job, guys. We're doing it. Guys, ready for your races. Hold on a second. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Jab cross. Elbow. And knee. Very nice. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Forget that pants. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Jab cross. Elbow, knee, kick. Good job. The other jab cross. Front hand first. Let's go. Front hand. The other jab first. Let's have front hand first. Let's go. Jab. Then cross. Then elbow. Good. Then knee. And then kick. Now give me a tag. Let's go. Give me that energy. Jab cross. Nice job, Neo. Pivot into that kick. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Beautiful job, guys. Keep hitting. Okay, my racers, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you're ready? Give me some space in between each other. Set. Looking at your finish line. Penetration steps. Go, 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 go. Penetration. Buddha, stay on the line. Stay on the line. Good job, Taylor. I like that form. Look at this form, Buddha. Look at that. Beautiful. That's penetration step. And time. All right, let's see how my ladies a bit. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep pushing, guys. Keep racing. Let's go with our box jumps. Nice. Beautiful. All the way up. Stand up all the way at the top. Beautiful. Okay, almost there, almost there. And one more, one more, one more. And then we're going to get to our flips. Okay, teamwork. 1, 2, boom. Nice job, ladies. 1, 2, boom. Nice job, ladies. Other side, other side. Go around, other side. Good. Drop it. Let's go to the other side. 1, 2,